Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hello boys and girls, it's Teacher Michael, and today we're going to be looking at pictographs. A pictograph is another really great way to display information. Today we're going to be using our pictograph to help us answer some questions. Let's take a closer look at this pictograph before we dive into these questions. In our pictograph today, it's about coffee. So I see these numbers on the bottom. These numbers on the bottom represent 1 cup of coffee. So 1 represents 1, 2 represents 2, so on and so forth. On the left side of our graph, we have each days. So on day 1, can you tell how many cups of coffee we drank? Well, that's easy. We'll just have to look at day 1 and then count the cups of coffee on day 1. So we see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I could have also just looked at the very last cup of coffee and looked down and saw what number it is. And you'll see that the last cup of coffee lines up with the number 7. So I know that on the first day they drank or had 7 cups of coffee. Let's use this information about reading pictographs to help us answer the questions. Let's read the directions and get started right away. Coffee house survey. Pictograph word problems. Look at the pictograph and answer the questions about the coffee house. Okay, let's look at the first question. On which day were the most cups of coffee sold? Okay, so again we have day 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's look. On day 1, I remember we said there were 7 cups sold. On day 2, there was more. There were 9 cups sold. We can trace that to 9. On day 3, there was even more. There were 10 cups sold. But on day 4, there was the most. On day 4, there was 11 cups sold. So we notice that if we look horizontally across day 4, it's all the way filled up, meaning that they drank all 11 cups of coffee. So let's go ahead and check day 4. Let's read the second question. On which day were 10 cups of coffee sold? Okay, there's a few different ways we can answer this question. We can go day by day, or we can look at the number of cups of coffee and look straight up. Let's look at the number of cups of coffee because that's what the question is asking about. So it wants to know on which day were 10 cups sold. So let's underline the number 10 and look up. Which day stops at 10? Well, if we look straight across, we'll see that day 3 stops right at 10. So we know that on day 3, there were 10 cups of coffee sold. So let's go ahead and check day 3. Okay, now we're going to get into some questions where we have to look at more than one day at a time. We'll have to keep track of some information, so let's read this question really carefully. How many more cups of coffee were sold on the second day than the first day? Okay, so first we need to figure out what is this question really asking. It wants to know how many more cups were sold on the second day than the first day. So let's see, how many cups of coffee were sold on day 2? On day 2, there were 9 cups of coffee sold. What about day 1? How many cups of coffee were sold on day 1? Well, if we look at day 1, and we remember from our example, I know that there were 7 cups of coffee sold on day 1. So the question wants to know how many more cups of coffee were sold on that second day. Well, to figure out how many more, we're going to have to subtract. We can subtract 7 away from 9. So let's go ahead and count up from 7. 7, 8, 9. So there were 2 more cups of coffee sold on the second day than the first day. Let's go ahead and check 2. We could have also used visuals. If we look at day 2, it goes up to 9, and day 1 only goes up to 7. We can see that there is a difference of 2 cups of coffee, or there are 2 blank spaces. So you can use visuals, or you can use subtraction. Let's take a look at our final question. How many cups of coffee were sold on day 1 and day 3 all together? Okay, so when I see that word all together, I think we're going to be adding and combining these numbers. So we want to know how many cups were sold on day 1 and day 3. So let's take a look at day 1. I remember on day 1, and from looking at our graph, there are 7 cups sold on day 1. And on day 3, if we look at our graph, we can see that there are 10 cups sold on day 3. So to find out how many cups there were all together, we can add 10 plus 7. we'll have to make sure our 7 is in the ones place lined up with the 0 of the 10. 0 plus 7 is 7, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So on day 1 and day 3, all together, there were 17 cups of coffee sold. Let's go ahead and check the number 17. Remember, boys and girls, when you're looking at pictographs or trying to answer questions about pictographs, first take a look at the pictograph and see what you notice. Then, after you reread each question carefully, go back and look at the pictograph to see if you can find the answer. Thanks for watching, boys and girls, and we'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.